što se tiče čarapan, ali su dobro je. Pazi! 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 Montenegro! Montenegro!
Nice to see you. We have a tour 3 hours. Firstly, we will go to see the islands, St. George and Lady of the Rock. I will tell you some history, legends about those islands. You can visit museum and the church. 20 minutes, I think it's enough for the photos and everything. After that, we will go to the city of Perast. In Perast, you have time even for lunch, maybe, or grab some coffee, try famous Perast cake with almonds and lemon, visit museum, and some of 16 churches in the Perast. Okay. Yes, okay. Let's go enjoy the ride. And behind these walls is a cemetery. These trees are like monuments. Almost every tree is one grave. One tree, one grave. For the people from Perast, mostly from the captains and important people from 17th and 18th century. That's why this island is not for tourists, it's a holy place. Only relatives come here and monks live on this side. The two brothers, fishermen from Perast, found over here a small wooden icon of the Virgin Mary with Jesus in her hands. They bring that icon into the Perast. That night, one miracle happened. They had a third brother who was mortally ill, who was very sick, and he healed overnight. And that's why they decided to do something about this place. Also, this is the deepest point in Boca Bay. It's about 45 to 55 meters under. And what they do, they bring old boats, ships, wreckages, and stones over here. Under this island is over 800 wooden boats and ships sink. And every time somebody goes from Perast, Risan, Mori, Kotor, passing by over here, everybody bring rocks and throw into the sea. So they need approximately 200 years to build this island. And the 17th century church built a house, now it's a museum, and the church, and name it Lady of the Rock. And we have every 22nd July here celebration. We go around the island with small boats, that day without engines, but with a lot of red wine. We eating fish, and everybody bring rocks and flowers and throw it to the sea, so this island became bigger every year.
We've still got this. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah.
Anjo, pristaješ? A? Pristaješ? Oh, sorry. Step over.